I don't like this place, man. It gives me the creeps. Rachel, you still there?
You caught the bouquet next.
Oh, whoa, dude, come here. Oh, wow. It's really heavy.
Oh my god, it looks like an alien device. Hey, okay, we don't know what it does. You don't just press buttons, okay?
But I like to press buttons.
Okay, hold on. There you go. Oh, it looks like a... Oh!
It looks like a
No!
keyboard.
No, you send messages on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Try it.
Okay, I need to message my mom. So, okay. I don't like how far you have to reach your thumbs. Hey, I don't remember her phone number. Do you think this thing has Instagram? Or
Emojis
Snapchat, or, yeah. I only see numbers and letters. There's no emojis. There's no... How do I take a picture? Is the camera on the bottom?
Wait. Sub button. It says tabular. Whoa.
Tabular.
Whoa. But like, look.
This thing is a piece of junk, man.
Yeah, let's just put it back.
So much for finding anything interesting. Ugh. Who wants a phone that weighs 1,000 pounds?